got to give. 3, something's got to give. No! Let the bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the Let the bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the floor. Steal your skin, blood and bone. You're all by yourself, but you're not alone. You wanted in and now you're here. Living my everything, everyone got changed, and I'm certain of the side of Satan. What do you want from me? They never told me the failure was meant to be. Yeah, overdo it, don't tell me you feel it. Stop your bitching and fight your way through it. I'm not like you, I just fuck up. Come on, motherfucker, everybody has to die. Come on, motherfucker, everybody has to die. If it stayed, I'd never leave it. If that turned around, I'd grieve the special dirty things that we used to talk about. I mean that loving you is strange and adored by me throughout. Oh, now it's you again. Someday soon you find that someone waiting for the chance to beat you, drooling on the side to feel you, blessing you with every kiss. Tying yourself to me, stitch out my emptiness, 'cause you're the death of me. So precious loving with you. Tying yourself to me, stitch out my emptiness, 'cause you're the death of me. So precious loving with you. It's such the patient one who needs me, the spoiled one who wins. So shocking where's your sense? Don't you know I hate you though? Unsatisfied, you little girl. Tying yourself to me, stitch out my emptiness, 'cause you're the death of me. So precious loving with you. Tying yourself to me, stitch out my emptiness, 'cause you're the death of me. So precious loving with you. doesn't it make you feel better? The pigs have won tonight. They can all sleep soundly, and everything is alright.
Down.
run, break or bow down, you decide. Tell them all that you can't be saved. Tell them all that you dug this grave. Learn to live in this mess you made. Now it's one set up in flames. What's this right here is as far as you go. This right here is the end of the road. This right here is as far as you go. So burn it all down, burn it all down. I don't give a fuck. Burn it all down, burn it to the ground. Things on flames, go inside. Burn it all down, burn it all down. The time is up, there's no return. Fuck them all, watch them burn. Yeah, 'cause I don't give a fuck. Fuck what I say. Fuck everything. Words are rich. Gasoline. Kill it all. Kill everything and burn it all down. Burn it all down. I push my fingers into my eyes. It's the only thing that slowly stops the ache. But it's made of all the things I have to take. Jesus in Neverland, it works its way inside. If the pain goes on, I've waited as my time's elapsed. Now all I do is live with so much fate. I've wished for this, I've bitched at that. I've left behind this little fact: you cannot kill what you did not create. I've gotta say what I've gotta say, and then I swear I'll go away. But I can't promise you'll enjoy the noise. I guess I'll save the best for last. My future seems like one big past. You're left with me cause you left me no choice. I push my fingers into my eyes. It's the only thing that slowly stops the ache. If the pain goes on, I'm not gonna make it. Put me back together, or separate the skin from bone. Leave me all the pieces, then you can leave me alone. desecrate you. You let me penetrate you. You let me complicate you. Help me. I broke apart my insides. Help me. I've got no soul to tell. Help me. The only thing that works for me. Help me get away from myself. I wanna fuck you like an animal. I wanna feel you from the inside. I wanna fuck you like an animal. My whole existence is flawed. You're the wrong way off the ledge. Let me help you hold the clock against your head. Let me help you tie the rope around your neck. Let me help you tie the wrong way off the ledge. Let me help you hold the clock against your head. Let me help you take the wings out of your leg. You're the blindfold king. Bury me, one tonight, everything that I am. Real-making dead. Bury me, one tonight, everything that I was. Slowly changing words to a guilty. Sunlight, sun on a motherfucking tailpipe. Damn man walking on a tightrope. Never in the middle of a channel. Lots away. I cannot take this anymore. Saying everything I've said before. All these words, they make no sense. I find bliss in ignorance. Less I hear, the less you say. You'll find that out anyway. Just like before. Everything you say to me takes me one step closer to the edge, and I'm about to break. I need a little room to breathe, 'cause I'm one step closer to the edge. I'm about to break. I find the answers aren't so clear. Wish I could find a way to disappear. All these thoughts, they make no sense. I found bliss in ignorance. Nothing seems to go away. Over and over again. Just like before. Everything you say to me takes me one step closer to the edge, and I'm about to break. I need a little room to breathe, 'cause I'm one step closer to the edge. I'm about to break. Everything you say to me takes me one step closer to Oh, get up, come on, get down with the sickness. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. Open up your hate and then never want to make. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. You must get up, come on, get down with the sickness. You fucking get up, come on, get down with the sickness. Madness has now come over me.
Loneliness, a little bit of disregard, handful of complaints, but I can't help the fact that everyone can see these scars. I am what I want you to want, what I want you to feel, but it's like no matter what I do, I can't convince you to just believe this is real. So let go, watching you turn your back like you always do, face away and pretend that I'm not, but I'll be here cause you're all that I got.
I can't feel the way I did before. Don't turn your back on me. I won't be ignored. Time won't change this damage anymore. Don't turn your back on me. I won't be ignored.
A little bit insecure, a little unconfident, cause you don't understand to do what I can, but sometimes I don't make sense. I am what you never want to say, but I've never had a doubt. It's like no matter what I do, I can't convince you for once just to hear me out. So let go, watching you turn your back like you always do, face away and pretend that I'm not, but I'll be here cause you're all that I got.
I can't feel the way I did before. Don't turn your back on me. I won't be ignored. Time won't change this damage anymore. Don't turn your back on me. I won't be ignored. No, hear me out now. You're gonna listen to me like it or not. Right now, hear me out now. You're gonna listen to me like it or not. Right now.
I can't feel the way I did before. Don't turn your back on me.
I won't be ignored. I can't feel the way I did before. Don't turn your back on me. I won't be ignored. Time won't change this damage anymore. Don't turn your back on me. I won't be ignored. I can't feel. Don't turn your back on me. I won't be ignored. Time won't change. Don't turn your back on me. I won't be ignored.
Did you never give a damn in the first place? Maybe it's time you when the tables turn, cause in the interest of all involved, they got the problem solved, and the verdict is guilty. Yeah, no guilt, late on the way of air to try and stop, drop, or no. You were dead from the get-go, been motherfucker. Jump a cock, stuck a race, scared at me now, then you dumb it that I thought always is and never was. Don't measurement of pierce and vinegar. Don't tell me it's me, think I fear your bullshit. Just another dumb bum, jumping up this shit. It's another way to break through the noise. Another circle that has had, you guys have been. Gotta be that way if you want it. Sanity, literal profanity, yeah, man. Smash it out.
All you wanna do is shut me down. All you wanna do is step me around.
Smash it out.
All you wanna do is shut me down. All I wanna do is step you out.
Maybe it's the way you gotta spend a lot of room. I find keeping all your little spots and leave when you realize. Step up third, I guess it's time to bury your ass with the chrome. Straight to the dome. You hear me right, bitch, out in the sun. And if you know it's good, just shut up and fake for the backstab. Don't you know you're dissing? South Park, you know, the opposite you say. Making a minute back, boy, I don't hear shit, cause the gate's hitting louder. Come on, I get a face full of tempted, living up bar, going home in a basket. You get up on the power, no, nothing nice, that shit. Well, ain't that something, bail, don't protect. And you can add if you want, but I'll find you coming up behind you. Spin it out.
All you wanna do is shut me down. All I wanna do is step you out.
Spin it out.
All you wanna do is shut me down. All I wanna do is step you out.
That time I set this record straight. All the needles punching is making me irate. Sick of my bitches falling under fears. Where you gonna be in the next 5 years? The cold one, all the fools, and all the politics. Get your lips ready, gonna